I am cute! Hello friends, it's the Sincerely Asia and I'm back at it again with another video, and this video is on another Janet collection protective style that I feel like turned out bomb. These are the butterfly lock braids, the passion twist hair braids, and I think I did a bomb job. Okay, it's my first time ever trying them and I did it with y'all. So I hope you enjoy. All the details are going to be down below. The type of hair I use is going to be down below. So if you would like to get into how I did this look, just keep watching. I'm pretty sure it took me less than 2 hours to complete this look, and I just love how it turned out. So that's that, and we're going to hop right into the look. Hey girlfriend, so I'm not gonna lie, I had to do a couple first just to make sure I kind of got down packed what I was doing. So this is what I got so far. I did my parts off camera because baby, had I have tried to do them on here with you guys, I would have been struggling. I have been using the Lotta Body mixed with my Eco Styler Edge Booster, and this is one in the front, but I wanted to make sure I got like a good close-up of how I've been doing these. Since I'm at the front, I know there's like some edges I'm gonna want to keep out. You feel like a good hard brush, right? And then because the ends are kind of frizzy, I'm gonna take a little bit and fluff it through the ends. There we go. Right? Just to give them some stick. We're gonna grab our first two pieces, put them together like so, like that, and then run through here just to fluff them out a little bit, not too much because we don't want the hair tangling up while we're braiding. And then my third piece on standby, braid literally like one wrap around. So I separate my three pieces, and then just to like set a base to stop, right? To make sure I pull it nice and tight. So I'm going to take this on the middle and go ahead, ooh, we caught. Go ahead and put that middle piece in the middle. Make sure I have a good grip on it. And I take my third piece that's just hanging out and move it to the side because I don't want it caught up in this. One loop around with the braid, and then this can come and join some hair, right? So now we have this third piece by itself. So then I grab this, my third piece, okay, now we just continue. I just keep going until, like I said, until I get to where my hair stops and it's like decently tight. But once I get to that middle, I start adding on my little curly pieces. I'm gonna line it up to make sure it's not too long. And then just continue to braid until I get to where my hair ends, and then I loosen up. Because I can see right here is where my hair stopped. So now I can just, you know, you go faster. But I make sure, like, I don't want to go up to where my hair is, because my hair is going to start to look frizzier than this passion twist hair. Perfect. I will, as I usually do, come back to y'all on the last two, which is probably going to be my center two, and be back in a second. We are on to the front. Head to the back. These are my parts. Hopefully they look good. I can see back there. If they don't. So I got these two left. And I already know I'm going to wear it on this side. So now we are going to start with our braid. Like I said, I want it in the center. You don't want to lean it too much towards this way, or I'll only be able to wear it on this side. You don't want it to go too much that way, because then you'll only be able to wear it this side. So you gotta like find that sweet spot in the center. And make sure you pull it tight. Right? So then, like I said, I looped around like two or three times. I want to say like 2. And then I'm gonna grab my first piece, right? I'm gonna grab it and then find that other half and connect it to this side. And then we're gonna start braiding 2 or 3 times. Sure you keep it, you know, separated enough. And then another one, centered. Grab it, connect. And then once that's in there good, I'm gonna start grabbing my little tiny pieces, my little tiny ones, and just shoving them in, and you just keep going, right? And then I bring it around to the front just so it's not as hard on my fingers. And then I kind of watch it until I can see I'm getting to the end of my hair. But I only go as high as where my hair starts because I don't want my hair to get frizzy. So I'm gonna change this battery so we can do this last one, baby. And then we gotta do the edges and chef's kiss. And we're back with a full battery, okay? So let's go ahead and do this last one. So I'm going to go ahead and hush up and let you guys watch me do this final braid. If you haven't gotten it by now, feel free to hit that rewind button and walk yourself through a couple more. And that's that on that. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, this is so, I am cute. I'm still braiding, but once I distress this, pull all through here, right? So this is the finished look. I knew that I want to pull those to the side. So let me go do my edges so I can give y'all a look for real, baby. Okay, so your girl did her edges. Put on a little bit earrings, a little bit gloss. I feel so cute. I think these turned out so bomb. I'm my back. I think I did a pretty good job. You know, I'd be surprised when I just be trying stuff on here with y'all. And I think it turned out really cute. I think it's even cute as like a middle part situation. It's giving, you know, Pop Smoke vibes without, of course, not the flat. But I think it's cute. Sweetie, who is she? That girl. Ain't nothing else to it but to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see each other in the next one, and that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Bye.